Well, I don't have to tell you this. It's easy to get overwhelmed during the holiday season, right? But you don't have to stress out about your gift list. Our organizing expert, Vicki Norris, is here to share some creative ways to streamline your gifting and to show us how less is more. So you have this concept of simplifying gifting, right, Vicki?
That's right, Molly, because you know what? This is the season where everyone exchanges clutter. And I know this because our professional organizers are behind the scenes cleaning it all up. But it doesn't have to be that way. You don't have to drown in all the gift lists and all of the clutter. There is a better way. And today I'm going to share some streamlining solutions for gifting, and a lot of them don't cost anything at all.
I love that. Okay, and we'll start with Give Handmade.
Yes. Okay, so today is our Restoring Order Christmas party. And for our team, what we do is we give handmade gifts. You make one gift, but you make multiples. And so you come away from this party with this enormous haul. We're going to have 9 gifts from all of our teammates and every person has made something special to them. So what's really great is it's budget friendly and it's skill friendly. So anybody can make whatever they want. You can make cookies, you can make a scarf, and it is really a fun way to do because you're giving of yourself and your skills.
I love it. For a little idea, can you share what you're giving?
Oh, no, I can't.
Okay, we'll tell you later. Okay, good. Okay. The next is Give Learning.
Right. Okay, so one of our favorite gifts was when my aunt gave my son a trip to the Frank Lloyd Wright Museum. And he loves architecture, and so we all went, and so you're adding value to someone's life here instead of just adding stuff. And so you can give museums, you can give adventures, you can give audiobooks, online courses. You're adding value and learning to someone's life.
I love that. Experiences are my favorite. This one I'm sure you're good at. Giving a makeover.
You know what? I want to inspire everybody that you too can be an order restorer, because a lot of people need just a makeover of some area in their life. It could be their closet, Molly, it could be their office, a room in their home, but it could be their wardrobe, like somebody helping you with outfit selection. It could be making over their makeup. But the idea here is that you're linking arms with someone with an area of their life that they're kind of dissatisfied with, and you are their hero, and you are actually helping them for really no cost.
I love that. And what better way to show you care than to help them start the new year, you know, refreshed in a way.
Exactly.
How wonderful. Okay, and then Give History. That's a great one.
Yes. Okay, so one of my favorite gifts was when my assistant got into a photo shoot that I did, and she actually made canvases for me from those, because she knew that I just didn't have the time to like make this wall art of family photos that I would love. I bawled and bawled because it meant so much to me to have my family photos on the wall, like out of the digital format and on the wall. And it was one of my favorite gifts. So give photo albums, give, you know, wall canvases. You can even do an audio recording of a grandparent or something. Oh. Isn't that wonderful? Like, think about like handing down family letters or memorabilia. It is so special when you give history.
Yeah, I love that. And then your last one, Give Words.
Give words. Okay, so my son just turned 13, Molly, and I asked all of the invitees to his birthday party to write a letter affirming him. And he said of everything that he got, that was the most important, the words. And so we can give words to people. We can write them a letter. That doesn't cost anything. We can tell an autobiographical story of our life. We can pass down family letters or even recipe cards with those handwritten words. You know, I just love handwriting of family members. So giving words is really special. And a lot of these ideas don't cost anything. I've got tons of these ideas and way more on my blog today, Simplify Gifting. And it's the top post on our Restoring Order Facebook page.
I love it. So thoughtful, Vicki. Thank you so much. I'm going to use all of these.
Good, good. I hope you're inspired too.
Yeah, I hope you do too.
Thanks for watching this organizing video by Restoring Order. Be sure you subscribe to this channel and check us out at restoringorder.com.